been my hobby for a very long time, and my experiments with painting started quite late. Sometime during my masters in pharma, I bought myself canvas and oil paints. I hadn't painted anything before, nor did I have any formal training in arts. I just had this desire to paint.
I knew I wanted to draw Buddha, but I wanted it to be my original work. The thought process took some time, and then I came up with this. Amidst the chaotic city life, glowing in the bulb, my enlightenment. I continued my journey into the world of wild. I started with the roar, followed by the hunter, and then their common prey. I call him the pride. During my summer walks, I always stopped by to look at a bright green plant growing on top of a dry, rocky terrain. Inspired by that little guy, I painted the sapling. Ralph Waldo said, "Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn." This painting is called Clarity. And here is another pre-sunset from Shimla. Adding a little mystery to the canvas is my enchanted forest. I was gifted this huge canvas. Initially, I painted these two colorful birds and then later added the lush green background, and the final product was two birds in the bush. The seas have always calmed me and transposed me into a dreamland. So, I bought 3 same-sized canvas boards and painted an extended sea covering the 3 with pretty flamingos, and I call it the paradise. My mom taught me the art of flower arrangement. Dedicating it to her is my painting, Ikebana. This is Nokkalikai, the most magnificent waterfall I've ever seen. It's in Cherrapunji and the view is incredible. Keeping the ending bright is my sunshine.
I hope you liked my paintings, but let me tell you, it's not been easy. It takes a lot of patience and practice, especially when you're teaching yourself. It takes a lot of time. But then in the end, it's all worth it. And it feels good to look at your own painting.